Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You don't have to hit the notification button if you don't want to. Just subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Today I'm going to be unboxing. It's not a mystery because I know what's in it. But I'm going to be unboxing my deck of Scarlet box that I ordered. I ordered a few more things. 1, 2, 3 mystery boxes, so I'm going to be doing that in the future when they come. Badass formulas, good for you. Ingredients. That's what it says up there. Here comes. I have to take that out. Let's see, I got this deck of Scarlet, Glow Crazy, Illuminating, and Lady Stardust. Ooh. Oh, does it smell anything? That's what it... Ooh, it's all... I'm not really sure where they're supposed to go, but that's the luminizer. I think I got too much on my hand. Too much came out of it. And I guess this is the instructions or the ingredients to the Glow Crazy Illuminizer. And that's all that's in this box. Put that up. Nightlife and Nerve something. It's this deck of Scarlet. That's what it is. Bold lights, bright lights, bold colors, something, whatever. And this little cover that it was, and that's what the palette looks like. And it has a little mirror thing. And it has the colors: Downtown, Bottle Service, Alphabet City, Counter Culture, Glitter and Girth, Invitation Only, Dive Bar, Limelight, Last Car, and Binary, whatever it is. Those are the colors. It says a special edition. I'm not really gonna freaking swatch it because it might take a long time on the thing, but Downtown, Bottle Service, Alphabet City, Counter, whatever it is, Glitter and Girth. Invitation Only, Dive Bar, Limelight, Last Call, it's a black, and Bowery, whatever it is, and it's a blue. And here's is all the colors. It is. There's a pale one right there. You can barely see it. Well, and that's all I got in the deck of Scarlet box. I'm not really sure if you prefer to just put it back in there, I guess. And that's the two things I got. I mean, it's weird in the picture. They showed a brush. But I guess that's just what it's supposed to be. Well, that is it for this video. I don't know if you like it, but if you do, give a thumbs up. And yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Peace.